But he was being punished for what we did. He was crushed because of our guilt. He took the punishment we deserved, and this brought us peace. We were healed because of his pain. Lord, if you heal me, I surely will be healed. Save me, and I surely will be saved. Lord, I praise you. Christ carried our sins in his body on the cross. He did this so that we would stop living for sin and live for what is right. By his wounds you were healed. He said to him, I am the Lord your God. If you listen to me and do what I say is right, and if you obey all my commands and laws, then I will not give you any of the sicknesses that I gave the Egyptians. I am the Lord who heals you. He said to her, Dear woman, you are made well because you believed. Go in peace. You will not suffer anymore.